Understanding what's done is done. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's often used in conversations, movies, and even literature. What's done is done. It's a simple saying, but it's packed with meaning and philosophy. So, let's unravel its layers and understand how and when you can use it in your daily English conversations. What's done is done is a phrase that speaks volumes about acceptance and the irreversible nature of past actions. It means that whatever has happened in the past cannot be changed, and one must move forward rather than dwelling on it. This phrase is often used to express resignation, acceptance, or sometimes even regret, but it always underscores the fact that the past is immutable. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. After making a mistake, I know I shouldn't have said those things to her, but what's done is done. All I can do now is apologize and try to make things right. 2. When comforting someone, I understand you're upset about losing the competition, but what's done is done. Let's focus on preparing for the next one. 3. In literature and movies, characters might use this phrase to signify a turning point, accepting the consequences of their actions and moving forward. The phrase, what's done is done, also reflects a philosophical acceptance of life's unpredictability and the human inability to change past events. It encourages focusing on the present and future, rather than being anchored by regret or sorrow over what has already occurred. This acceptance can lead to personal growth and emotional resilience. Using this phrase appropriately requires understanding its tone and context. It's suitable in situations where you want to express acceptance of the past and the intention to move forward. However, be mindful of the emotional state of the person you're speaking to. The phrase should offer comfort or motivation, not dismiss their feelings. What's done is done is a powerful expression that encapsulates a universal truth about the human experience. We hope this video has helped you understand its nuances and how you can incorporate it into your English language arsenal. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to convey complex emotions and thoughts in simple terms. Keep exploring, and let the past be a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.